the drill. It's time for another hair video, and this one is sponsored by Hairinbeauty. So let's get into what's inside this box. Okay, so we have some goodies. Looks to be a bonnet, some glamour lashes, and a wig cap. And here is the unit. On this packaging, it does say this is a 24-inch 4x4. So this is a lace closure wig, and this is a deep wave in the natural color of medium brown. Ooh, look at these juicy waves and curls. Like, before agitating it too much, this is how it comes out of the packaging. And like I said, it's labeled as that deep wave texture. Look at that shine and look at that body. I almost don't even want to like run my fingers through it or anything like that. Look at that. They're shiny and they're soft, they're juicy. Ooh, imagine going to the beach in hair like this. So as we mentioned, this is a closure unit. So here's the closure area, this horseshoe right here. This is your parting space. So typically with closures, I always do a middle part, but because there is no lace on either side of the ear, sometimes you can just shift the whole wig if you want a side part. It does have 1, 2, 3 combs. No, more than 3. 3 combs. 3 combs with some elastic banding. And so I always like to do the glueless method on my wigs. I don't like to have to be forced to secure them with glue or gel. And so being that this is a closure unit, you can almost ensure that you will be able to apply this with no lace, glue, and no gel. Real quick, showing you the knots right here. But this hair looks pretty. I'm super excited about this wig right here.